Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this OPPO. First of all, go in the Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in wherever you wish to and install your new food app. In my case, this phone one. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Then tap on the food apps and click on one of those sections, in my case phone app. Now click on the downloaded one in order to apply it. And when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!